Dito, lalaban ka on September 22nd. Maganda yung card. The main event is Rodtang versus Super Lek. Pero it's shaping up to be a stack card, a big card because yung supporting card pa lang nandun ka na. Do you think, yun nga, nabanggit mo ngayon, this is the perfect fight for you. Bakit mo nakikita perfect fight for you? Ito nga si Adrian Matiz, who's, sinasabi nila, upset specialist, who has been a mainstay in one championship since 2016. May panalo rin over former champion na si Alex Silva. Can we talk about this? Kung ano yung mindset mo heading to this fight, plus bakit mo siya nakikita as the perfect opponent for you in your return to action?
Para sa akin, masasabi kong perfect opponent siya because, yan, yung gaya ng nasabi mo, na natalo niya yung mga former champions, he's been active in this game. And then, yung fighting spirit niya talaga is talagang warrior na makikipagbakbakan. So, I think yun yung kailangan kong opponent ngayon. Kung yung talagang makikipaglaro sa akin.
To bring your
So,
confidence back, tama ba?
yes.
Uh,
So, yan. Kaya ako nasabing perfect kasi and alam rin natin is a dangerous opponent also. Hindi siya basta-bastang kalaban. So, yun yung parang challenge ko, nakakapag-challenge sa akin na malakas din tong kalaban ko. So, parang it's good. It's good to motivate me to bring out the best of me.
Dito, speaking of dangerous fighter, ano yung mga bagay o aspeto sa laro ni Adrian Matiz na parang inaantabayan, huwag na natin sabi inaantabayanan mo, pero mga pinagkakaingatan mo?
Yung explosive attack niya, yun yung
Hmm.
medyo kailangan nating bantayan kasi yan, nakita natin nangyari kay at yung fight nila against Alex Silva na kinokontrol ni Alex sa ground tapos second round
Hmm.
biglang nag-explode and he got that KO. So, yung
Hmm.
mga ganong moves niya and yung mga previous fights na rin, nakita ko na ganon na rin. Bigla siyang mag-explode, he swings wild.
Hmm.
So, yun ang isang kailangan kong bantayan and i-check sa laban namin.
Ito, of course, syempre, masyadong cliche kung tatanungin kita ng prediction eh. Pero ano yung klase ng performance that you want to accomplish in this fight para sa'yo? Ano yung mga masasabi natin? May checklist ka ba as to what do you want to achieve in this fight? Syempre, kasama na rin din kung paanong outcome. Para sa'yo, ano yung gusto mo ma-accomplish?
So, navi-visualize ko na magiging explosive and exciting fight yung laban namin na talagang bakbakan, palitan ng strikes.
Hmm.
And yeah, we'll see who is the better striker and complete fighter sa aming dalawa.
Ngayon, siguro
And
bago,
sa akin, so yan, isang parang gusto kong mangyari is to get uh, kun, to get a good KO, a highlight reel KO or a good submission sa kanya. And yan, isa dito is yung entertain kasi alam natin palaban talaga eh
hmm,
super agresibo rin siya. So yung excitement na magsasagupan talaga kami doon, yun ang napapromise ko na mangyayari dito.
kala ko, iba idadagdag mo, pati yung $50,000 bonus. Anyway, anyway, Lito, dumadagdag ko lang, nagkakaroon ng movement in strawweight division. Ngayon ba, meron bang pressure to you to catch up? Kasi nakapasok ka na sa top 5 eh. Do you think
Mm.
na parang it's important, it's imperative for you to get a statement win, especially you're coming off a 18-month layoff?
Yun ang isang target ko dito talaga for
Hmm.
my return na to give an impressive win. I'll
Hmm.
do my best to give an impressive win para just to show na nandito pa ako, na nandito talaga ako na I'm aiming for the title shot na wala. Nagka nagka-injury man ako, medyo na-side ano ako, and I had my first 2 straight loss in my career, pero nandito pa rin ako. I really believe and I'm doing the sacrifice and work to para yan umangat dito sa division, and talagang nakikita kong aangat tayo dito.
Alright, Lito, bago ka namin pakawalan, bago ka magpahinga, to enjoy your weekend, dito baka may gusto kang pasalamatan, mga supporters mo, mga fans mo.
So, yan, at least finally, kasi yun nga, every post natin is hindi ko talaga ma-replyan yung mga nagtatanong sa atin dati kung may fight ba ako, kailan yung comeback ko. So finally, alam ko, I'm happy, and so for all our supporters and fans also, finally, we're back, and eto na-announce na natin. So I'm just asking for your prayers and support na sana magiging magandang performance natin, and especially walang magkaka-injury sa amin ni Adrian para matuloy itong laban namin. And yan, sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa akin dyan sa Pilipinas, thank you very much, and yan, may God yan, bless you more. And yep. Yeah, thank you very much.
Actually, nagkaka-goosebumps ako na sinasabi mong maraming sagot, maraming tanong about kailan ka babalik. Well, ganoon talaga yung nararamdaman, excitement na makita ka muli. Well, Lito, maraming salamat sa oras mo, and we wish you nothing but the best.
Thank you for having me.
That's it for all of us here on the MMA Superfan. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all the latest content from the MMA Superfan. Again, I'm Nisi Ikashano, along with the Thunder Kid himself, Lito Adiwang. Till next time.